Have you ever experienced academic burnout? Always studying without breaks? Is your sleep schedule constantly affected by your academics? Do you find yourself letting go of hobbies and activities you once enjoyed in the hopes of prioritizing your academics? Learning how to effectively schedule in university can be challenging. If you feel like there aren't enough hours in a day to get everything done, stick around for our favorite tips and tricks on taking control of your student life. While university can feel like we're sprinting through a marathon, there are many ways to pace yourself so you can make it to the end. As students, we have numerous commitments that we have to keep track of. From exams to our courses to other deadlines and even work schedules, many of us are prone to feeling overwhelmed. And this is especially the case if we're scheduling ineffectively. Having a realistic and organized schedule that takes into account your academic success and your well-being is essential. So let's walk through some of the important components to scheduling effectively. So as students, we have several commitments scheduled for specific times during the day. It is important to incorporate all our lecture times, lab meetings, work shifts, and any other commitments that take place at a set time. This allows us to better visualize the hours spent on these commitments. In doing so, we can then better plan our studying, socializing, and relaxing around these set commitments. When we become busy or overwhelmed, breaks are often the first component of our schedule to disappear. Breaks are essential for recharging and recentering our focus. Without them, we are likely to experience reduced concentration and, as a result, reduced productivity. While breaks can be 5 minutes or 1 hour, no matter the length, it will be helpful if spent doing something that you enjoy and that will help you regain your focus. You can spend breaks going for a walk, getting fresh air, connecting with a friend, reading a book you like, or indulging in a hobby. In my study breaks, I often will go for a walk to get some fresh air or play some music as well. Our schedule should emphasize health. This can include, but is definitely not limited to, regular and sufficient sleep, meals, physical activity, and of course, socializing. These are non-negotiables that give us the energy we need to do our very best. Additionally, while it can be hard, making time for your interests outside of the classroom can be a great way to really energize and motivate you. Your ability to focus on your studies will improve as a result of being well rested, having sufficient energy, and feeling motivated. Many of us would love to incorporate healthy habits into our schedule, but struggle to find the time. Often the mistake here is a lack of consistency in our work ethic. Schedule to begin assignments and studying as soon as possible, and as a result, you'll find that all-nighters, skipping meals, and binge studying will no longer be necessary. You'll find time for getting involved on campus, going to the gym, and finishing that book that you started at the end of the summer. Effective scheduling will minimize stress levels by helping you feel in control of your schedule, while reinforcing breaks that will help you recharge and regain focus. This balance is key in ensuring you prioritize your well-being during your studies. In the long run, this will promote a sustainable approach to studying that will prevent burnout and improve concentration.
Remember, when you feel better, you do better. See you in our next video.